Hello everybody, this time I am just going to describe you how to install the web applications like Bleast for invoicing in your server at your domain name. For that you need to buy hosting and domain. If you have already, then use it. I have already hosting and domains and I have already logged in at here. Now I am going to show you how to install the web applications like Bleast. This is my C panel and you can see that preference, web applications, mails, files, blah blah blah. These are the sections. I need to go to the web applications view more. And you can see that Bleast invoicing icon at here. Just click on that. After click on that, you will find the information requirement, support and feature of Bleast. After all of the information you will get from this, you can click on install these applications at your domain name. In the next page, you can define the subdomain or domain, whatever you need. Directory is optional. You can change the settings. You can give your usernames and passwords and email ID, and after that you can click on install this application. It takes few seconds to install these applications at your domain name. Just wait for a while, it will be installed. There is a 3 links. This is a front end and this is another link is for admin panel. You can give your details of admin and you can log in. This is forums for Bleast. So I hope you get the information from that video. Please subscribe us. Thanks for watching this video.